My name is Emiko Davies. I'm a cookbook author, a photographer, mother and a food lover. I am Australian and Japanese, but I've called Tuscany home now for about 15 years. Food for me is culture, family, and it will take you immediately to a certain place and a certain time with certain people. And also when you're in a new place and you're discovering those flavors, those memories that you make when you eat that food is always going to take you back to that place. This is the kind of cooking that I've learned since living in Italy. Very, very simple, following the seasons, following some local traditions, and it all comes down to how the ingredients are, how fresh they are, where they've come from. And here in Tuscany, this is the basis of a really good meal. Schiacciato all'uva for me is a really great symbol of Tuscan cuisine because it originates with some really humble ingredients, excess grapes that are bursting off of the vines in high season, a simple focaccia-like bread. And you put those two things together and you have this absolutely delicious treat that you only get for a very short time of the year, but that is definitely worth waiting for. When somebody says the word Tuscany and I try and picture that is the Val d'Orcia. In every season it has its beautiful qualities. You can see and feel whatever the season is. Rosewood Castiglion del Bosco is a really special place. As soon as you walk in here, it feels like you're in a little village surrounded by the mountains and the woods. You have everything at your fingertips. Everything is within your reach here, and it's the kind of place you don't really want to leave once you're here.